Hey, what's up? Dante here from Red Desk 484, and I got a box. So, yeah, it's an unboxing video. Let me just open it. I'm kind of doing this one-handed because this stupid thing, isn't really working, so it's not really stupid, it's pretty cool. So, let me just do this one-handed. Oh my god. Yeah, it's Airsoft. I don't even know if they're good. I just randomly bought them because they look cool on Amazon. So, we can see if they're good. And I'm in our spare room, so what the heck? Open up. It's hard doing things one-handed. Okay. So as you see, I just got these, two little cheap airsoft guns. I don't even know if they're good. Probably not, but I'm only gonna do a review on one since I got one of them. And yeah. Hold on. Sorry, I just had to open the box. So let me see. What's this? I guess these are BBs. Sorry, I just have to put it down real quick. Alright, there's the shotgun. So, it's okay, I guess. Yeah. Just a little cheapy thing. I got two of them for really cheap, so I don't know. They could do. So, yeah. I guess they're okay. I just buy random things on Amazon a lot, but yeah. I have some other airsoft. I can do an airsoft review sometime, but I'm gonna get some more airsoft guns, but yeah. I don't really know what else to say, so yeah. See. Oh wait, no. I will be putting up more videos, like me and Eric and Sam will be doing videos and stuff, but other than that, I don't know what to say. So like us on Facebook, subscribe if you want, like the video, comment, just for this little shotgun. Yeah. See ya.